Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. What we have here is the donation from Arc Company for the upcoming subscriber giveaway. Arc Company makes a lot of durable EDC products, everything ranging from a EDC slipcase, such as this one called their Mini Ripcord, up to different types of sunglass cases, individual knife slip cases. You have wallets, you have EDC roll bags, knife roll bags, notepad and wallet combos, even pocket protectors, as well as claw keychains, lighter cases, pretty much anything you can think of for your EDC wallet or pocket organizing needs. As I mentioned before, this is the Mini Ripcord. It's an EDC slipcase. Comes in about left pocket's about 1 and 3/8 inches by 3 inches, and the right pocket's about 1.5 by 3.5 inches. I'll show you a couple items that I'm able to insert into these pockets. The left pocket does have an open bottom, so it's easy access, and you can slip items through, push them through from the bottom to the top, or if you have a long flashlight or something longer that sticks through, that would be a great spot to put it. The pocket on the right is stitched at the bottom, and it is a good size to hold pretty much almost any, I'd say, small, medium, even some of the larger EDC knives and tools and such. It would be really good for even a small or medium with a lanyard attached, or as you see here, I've got a Asher Knives Spiro in there, and I think this is sufficient enough at that, really. After checking this out, spending a little time seeing what gear fits in here, this is something I will have to consider and look into. Honestly, I'm going to have to check out the rest of Arc Company's lineup. I just want to say thank you so much, Arc Company, for sending this out, supporting the channel. Honestly, this has put them on my radar. I've seen other people mention their gear and talk about their gear. I know we all have our pocket organizers that we like to go for. However, I honestly feel strongly in supporting other individuals trying new things. So Arc Company, thank you so much again for donating this for the upcoming giveaway. Everyone, thank you so much for all the support, and thank you for watching. Carry your personality.